Good morning. So today we are talking about, sweetology and the causes of your sweet tooth. Yesterday we heard from Dr. Ruby Bansal, our clinical medicine specialist, the medical causes, we understood that there is a genetic correlation and, there is an environmental factor and then habits or, your metabolism or even, and I would like to add, if you don't plan your meals properly, then also, you end up eating sweet as the first thing, when you get hungry. So all this combined, so let's talk about the big question today is, okay, we have a sweet tooth, we understood it, but can we do something about it? Are there medicines, which can help you reduce your craving, or can a doctor help you, reduce your sweet intake? Yes, this answer to this big question is yes. If you come to us at the Integrated Wellness Clinic, Dr. Ruby Bansal will take her kind of in history, try to understand the causes. I'm Dr. Priya Kapoor, the homeopathic physician. I will try to assess, a detailed, sweet history, for example, if it is, when do you crave sweets the most? Is it the first thing in the morning, or is it after breakfast, or lunch, or dinner? Mostly people crave a little sweets after lunch. Separate remedies, very, very specific remedies are available for desire for sweets, especially after eating meals. And some, women mostly, crave sweets just before their menses. If the hormonal correlation is there, we have separate group of remedies which will target, and then we give you those specific remedies just before your cycle 2 3 days before, so that you can try and control that urge, which ends up ruining your diet plan of the entire month. And then also we would like to understand what type of sweets you crave. If it is the Indian sweets, our remedies are different. If it is dry kind of sweets, then the remedies are different. If you crave chocolates, then our remedies are totally different. So type of sweet also matters, the time of sweet intake also matters, and if your age also matters. If the sweet intake is more in children, growing children, we would like to rule out any worms. So we give you remedies, the children will get remedies which alter the pH, try to reduce the acidic pH which harbor worms. One cycle we would like to do, your anti-worming medicine, and then we also add homeopathy, so that you don't harbor worms. The tendency to harbor worms can go if you are on a regular homeopathic regime. And that's how children stop eating just sweets. Some children also eat a lot of bakery products because of this desire, and in turn they eat non-fibrous food, which adds to their obesity. So we take care of that at the Integrated Wellness Clinic. Another thing I think we also like to add is, some children, people would just eat sugar. They just cannot digest the food until they eat sugar. Specific remedies are available for that. And all these things are because it is habit, genetics. It takes a while to turn around, and slowly you understand why you crave your kind of sweet. So when you understand the why, and we while we are treating you with the homeopathic regime, try to reduce your craving, make you more determined, which happens, we've seen with a lot of patients. Our clinical nutritionist Dr. Deepika Kohli will tell you healthy ways of curbing your sweet urge, that we talk about tomorrow. So these kind of disease series, we are bringing up at the Integrated Wellness Clinic to help you understand the concept of integration. Yesterday Dr. Ruby Bansal talked about the medical causes. Today I'm talking about the homeopathic perspective of sweetology. And tomorrow Dr. Deepika Kohli will talk about healthy sweet you know recipes, or healthy manner of curbing your sweet tooth. So this approach at the Integrated Wellness Clinic is very, very practical. We do it with a lot of patients, and we are finding great results which are difficult to achieve single handedly. Please make use of this integrated approach. And we are a team of doctors whose sole motto is to reduce disease and to prevent illness. Kindly contact us at the Integrated Wellness Clinic. we can help you. Definitely, this is the truth. We can help you reduce your sweet cravings. Thank you. Jai Hind.